Hello, cooking time. Oh my gosh. Now, I love to cook. Even if I'm alone, I live alone like that. I cook for myself. I don't like to eat fast food. Take away, no. So this is Asian, black beans. And I don't have a can opener, so I will use the knife. And I'm going to cook pork. It's like Filipino dish with the black beans. This one. We call this tao shu. It's Chinese something. Tao shu in Chinese. Or in Filipino, tao si. So, ta-da! Magic. Oh, you see? Oh, sorry. Okay, so I was saying before that, yeah, we were really trained. It's like automatic. So, before when I was 7 years old, I couldn't reach the stove. And I used to wear a stool and, look at my mom cook. So yeah, now maybe I have this pork. I will cook a lot because you know what? Sometimes if I'm busy, I will divide it and cook it, reserve it for tomorrow or the next day. So I just put in the fridge in a container and just warm them up. So at least it's ready. If there is extra, sometimes I am sharing to my friends at work and here in our flat, my flatmates. Yeah. So that's it. And what is this? Chilies. I love chilies. So I will show you something. This is pork bones, something, and this is chicken. You see, I'm alone, but I cook a lot. No, this is for the next day also. So I will just, for the chicken, I will do chicken curry or tikka masala. It's an Indian recipe. And I will divide it. The other half will be, I will cook probably, I call it that. It's my own invention. Chicken sarchado. It's with mango sauce, something. Alright, just sharing to you how I live, how we live typically, whether you're alone or whatever age, you still need to do how life is, what real life is. That's why, okay, and I will just share to you. Maybe I send you guys through FedEx. FedEx. I'm plugging this through cargo, air cargo or ship cargo. Then when it reaches there, it's bye. Thank you. See you again next time.